everybody, Donita here, and I'm at a place called HealthCube. I have been suffering common migraines and tension headaches for a very long time already, and I have done various things to try to figure out the root cause of my problems. I have been taking a food journal, a migraine and headache journal. I've also seen a neurologist, chiropractor, hormone specialist, have taken a prophylaxis, which is a 6-month-long medication program to help lessen the effects of these migraines. But there's nothing that's really gotten to the root cause. Until now. A friend of mine told me that she recently took a food intolerance test, and that was something that really opened up my eyes because I had taken a food allergy test before and I thought it was about the same thing, but it's not. A food intolerance test is very extensive. In this particular test, they will be taking over 200 food items that you could be possibly allergic or intolerant of. The two are not the same. You could be allergic to something and not be food intolerant, and vice versa. You could be food intolerant but not allergic. So we are going to find out today what these food items are that I could be intolerant of and see if maybe we can rule them out to figure out if these could be the cause of my headaches/migraines. So I'm going to take a series of exams to find out if we can get to the root cause of this. I'm really excited and I believe that this is the answer to my problems. Let's go!
Kailangan mag-disrobe.
Opo.
Ipag-usapan na lang. Lumakas ka.
Malinaw hindi to bilbil. Ito ay wireless stress monitor. No?
Dire-diretso ako. Makeup lang ang problem.
You need to explain your diagnostic tests that were recently done.
Am I gonna die?
You're not gonna die. First of all, we have the pulmonary function test that we recently did. Everything looks okay. Urinalysis is basically done to assess early start of diabetes. None of those are present. Next comes the CBC. Everything looks to be okay. Next comes our blood exam, our blood chemistry exam. Yours actually looks good, except for the LDL.
That is not true.
There's still room for improvement, and our improvement's based on dietary changes. Move on to your X-ray. Our X-ray report showed normal chest X-ray. And our treadmill stress test, this is the treadmill stress test. And throughout the exam, everything looked okay. Lastly, our ECG.
Heartbroken ba, Doc?
Right now, you require no medication. So what I would advise would be continued exercise, which you do, and good eating habits.
Thank you, Doc. I really appreciate it. Yay! I'm healthy.
You have very little intolerance. What are the possible symptoms of intolerance? It can be headaches, it can be migraines. You're not just intolerant to cow's milk. Try to avoid it for 3 months. For the milk, you can actually have Carabao's milk. Most of your bread or anything, most of that flour is all wheat. So you're going to have to stay away from those. And you're intolerant to both egg white and egg yolk. So we're gonna give you a guide regarding the diet. You're just going to have to stay away from the wheat, no bread at all.
Okay.
The whole purpose is that we're trying to see if this is the one contributing to your headache. You're going to avoid milk. You're going to avoid eggs
and bread.
Okay, and then bread.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you,
We're
Doc.
good.
I really appreciate it.
All right, so I have in my hand right now the results of all the tests that I did, and I'm very, very happy with what's been given to me so far. I'm happy to know that I am not intolerant of too many foods. A friend of mine had an entire page almost of foods that she was intolerant to, so I'm just really glad that these are a few, although these are some of my favorites. I am very fond of dairy products and eggs and bread and nuts, so I won't be able to have that for the next 3 months. So I will eliminate these all from my diet, and hopefully that will lessen the migraine and tension headache attacks that I get. So we'll find out soon enough if this is the root cause of everything. I believe it is. I'm very hopeful that I will be able to overcome these headaches and migraines. I want to give a special shout out to HealthCube. Thank you so much for being so hospitable. Thank you guys, and I'm very much looking forward to living a healthier lifestyle, one that I can be very proud of. Thank you guys. We appreciate it very much.